Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the tarmac. Walk the drive, mark cracks and depressions greater than 0, 5-inch, and measure the area to size materials. Once done, remove loose debris with a broom, then use a pressure washer to strip oil and dirt. Let it dry. Make sure to gather your materials now: cold or hot mix, tack coat, a hand tamper or plate compactor, and edge tools. This front loading gets you into the first patching steps immediately. You cut out any failing tarmac to clean, firm edges, prefer rectangular patches, and remove material to about 1/2 the depth of the surfacing. Once the base is stable, brush tack coat onto the substrate. This improves bonding. Then place your chosen mix, hot at around 120 degrees C or a high-quality cold mix, and overfill slightly to allow for compaction. Compact in at least 2 passes with a plate compactor or roller. You finish by cleaning the surface, then apply a thin seal coat once repairs have cured, usually 24 to 48 hours depending on temperature. This protects and evens sheen. Make sure to neatly compact and tool the edges and restore jointing stone if present. Allow vehicle traffic only after the manufacturer's cure time. If you see settling or new cracks, stop traffic, check drainage, and use a polymer crack filler after cleaning. This targeted fix prevents larger failures and extends the life of the drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.